Hi everyone, I'm Juan, also known as Mr. V by all my students. I'm a music educator and I've been using Yousician to teach for many years. Yousician is dedicated to ensuring the music never stops, and now more than ever, we need the power of music. As the world moves to remote learning, Yousician wants to ensure that music education can continue for everyone. That is why we've announced Yousician for Teachers, a remote music education solution offering free premium memberships for music educators and their students through the end of the school year. If you're a music teacher, visit the Yousician for Teachers website for all the information you'll need to get started. On the website, you'll also get access to resources to support you along the way. Only teachers can sign up, so parents and music students, make sure to let your teachers know about the program. Please, share this video with anyone you think may benefit. We hope to see you playing with us soon.